I shouldn't say it's moisturizing, it's healing, and it traps in the water very well. And the response that I get from you guys is mind-blowing. If you guys love this serum, I fucking love this serum, and it needs more hype, honestly. It needs more clout. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Bauer Beauty, the channel where you're gonna get the life-changing skincare advice that you're looking for. And you're gonna get advice from me, and I'm a licensed esthetician. That means I went to school for skin, and now I'm here on this channel. I own a skincare company called Bauer Beauty. It's on Amazon, and today I'm talking about the best niacinamide serum that exists out there, period. And that's my niacinamide serum that I fucking created. This is the best niacinamide serum on the planet. Now, I've actually just redesigned this. Literally amazing, and I've like re-fallen in love with it recently. And my esthetician was like, you need to be using a niacinamide serum. I was like, oh good, because I have one that I just stopped using. You know how you just like stop using products and start using other products? And every time I use it, I'm like, Jesus Christ, this is so good. And the response that I get from you guys is mind-blowing. If you guys love this serum, I fucking love this serum, and it needs more hype, honestly. It needs more clout. I should probably like get into influencer marketing, because then I would send it out to my influencer colleagues and influencers that I don't know that could be, you know, in love with the serum as well. This serum is the shit, and I'm going to tell you why for a couple reasons. Number one, look at the ingredient list. The ingredient list is short, to the fucking point, and that's what I love about ingredient lists. I love ingredient lists that don't try to impress you. They're just like, this is what it is. It is what it is. It's just a few ingredients. I like that because it's like less likely to irritate, and it's like we're not trying too hard. We're not trying to like sell you into something. Another thing I love about this serum is the texture. It's fucking like syrupy. It's crazy. So I'll put it right there. And it's very syrupy. Like, it's syrupy, and a little goes a long way, but I always put a lot. Anyways, I put probably 2 or 3 pumps, and the shit spreads a lot. Now, this is 5% niacinamide, which is the best potency that you could ask for in a niacinamide serum. A lot of niacinamide serums out there, they just try to like percentage chase. They're trying to get the highest percentage. It's like a big dick contest for niacinamide percentages. I like the niacinamide serum. Mine is like this, the Bauer Beauty one. Also, First Aid Beauty is 5%. Hyram's is 5%, I think. I like the brands that are coming out with 5% niacinamide serums, because it's like, I'm confident in myself. I don't need to have a big dick contest having higher percentages. We're just not about that life. We are not in the streets. We're in the fucking limo, bitch. Okay, we're in a limo. 5% niacinamide and 0.5% zinc. Well, I take zinc on a regular basis for health, like for immunity, but I also take it for skin. It is my secret weapon when it comes to acne. And if you look this up, you guys will find this. It's not like it's like I'm the only one doing it, but I take zinc orally because it prevents cystic acne breakouts, but it also regulates oil production, and so does niacinamide. And it's also good for brightening, and so is niacinamide. So this is going to be amazing for fucking oil control and brightening. And that is like what I've been using it for recently. Because I went to my esthetician, and she was like, "You're really oily. You got a lot of like oil in your pores." And I'm like, "Yeah, well, I fucking love oil, and I hate salicylic." So she made me buy a salicylic. This is a side story. She made me buy a salicylic acid, and then I fucking got a pimple the next day, so I'm returning it. Like, it depends on the salicylic acid, yes, but for me, a lot of times it irritates me. And you guys message me all the time talking about this serum and my collagen serum as well, but we're not talking about that right now. And everybody has such great results. Maybe I'll put some reviews in here, because there's like so many reviews. You guys will be obsessed with it. It's fucking amazing. Another thing I like, I'm glad that a lot of people don't complain about this, because I was scared. The scent of it is the mineral-y scent. It's unscented, so it's like no fragrance, so you just smell the natural ingredients, the raw ingredients, and it's unbelievable. Like, I got kind of addicted to it, but a lot of people, like, they'll be like, is it supposed to smell like this? And I'm like, yes, it is supposed to smell like that. It's just that mineral-y smell of the zinc. But yeah, so anyways, it's honestly the shit, and I love the pump, the treatment pump. I'm probably gonna have to raise the price soon. It's $16.95. I'm like, I don't even know how I'm selling it for that. That's so inexpensive. one of the only brands I know of that are cruelty-free and fragrance-free, like exclusively those two things for sure. And I don't know a lot of brands that are like, those are some of their pillars, but those are our pillars. You can buy it from the website or from Amazon, whichever you prefer. And also, another thing I love about it is we just preserve it with vitamin E and vitamin C, the lactobacillus ferment as well. The preservation system is like natural. It's a bomb ass formula. I mean, I don't know what else to say. It's a bomb ass motherfucking formula. If you guys have tried it, you know. You know. The way that I use this is, lately I use it in the morning, but sometimes I use it at night too. And when I get out of the shower, I love putting this on wet skin because it is very moisturizing. I shouldn't say it's moisturizing, it's healing. And it traps in the water very well, and it amplifies the water in your skin because it does have some humectant components in here. It has the hyaluronic acid in here. Oh no! Get out of the shower, put this on wet skin, follow with vitamin C, follow with moisturizer, SPF. That's the way that I've been using it, and it's so effing amazing. It just makes the pores look a little smaller, and it balances the oil production. The results that you're going to see with this, if you have an aging concern, if you have an acne concern, this is actually one of the only types of products I would recommend if you are actively breaking out, because this product is going to be very good for restoring the barrier and managing oil. Now, if you are very dry and you're breaking out, I wouldn't necessarily recommend this because it balances the oil. And sometimes if you're dry or overstripped, you don't want something that's going to balance oil. You want to, like, you know, have oil production consistently. Aging, acne, brightening as well. If you have melasma, if you have dark spots, hyperpigmentation, 5% niacinamide serum is clinically shown to lighten hyperpigmentation, even melasma. They say it is as effective as hydroquinone at lightening dark spots. So that's significant. That's a big fucking deal. I'm launching a new serum. It's called the Barrier Serum, and it's the shit. The shit. So get you some, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. The bugs around here, but it's so beautiful. He's back. He's literally back. Can you never come back? Dude, you're not gonna believe it, but that shit ant is back. That ant is so large, it's insane, and he's back. Wow, he's ambitious.